If you're considering Kitsilano as a neighborhood that you would like to buy in or simply thinking about moving into, here are 5 pros and 5 cons before taking that next step. Hi, I'm Jonathan Lerner with the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group and eXp Realty, and we help people buy, sell, and invest in the greater Vancouver area. Over the course of this video, if you have any questions at all, pop them in the comment box below, or you can visit us on our website at thevancouverlife.com, or feel free to send me a text at 778-389-6677. Let's dive into those pros and cons. The first pro of the Kitsilano area is the iconic spot of Kitsilano Beach. It is known all over Vancouver and the world as the place you want to visit. Amazing for people watching beach volleyball, as you can see behind me, basketball, walking along the seawall, and just the absolute iconic views that we have here. The other thing on the area that we have here is right beside the beach is North America's largest saltwater swimming pool at 137 meters, outdoors and heated. Amazing spot to be. If you don't enjoy the ocean, you can jump into the pool over there. Our first con also ties in with Kitsilano Beach. Because it is so well known, it is also one of the most popular spots to be in the summer. So if you're hoping to have a lot of space around you when you're on the beach or in the grassy areas to hang out with friends and enjoy some time together, you can expect to have the next group of people just a few feet away. And if you're planning to try and throw a frisbee or a football, probably not the best spot to be without jumping over and falling over a couple other groups beside you. Kitsilano is its diverse community and real estate available. There are numerous singles and young families renting in the area, and you can also get a 1-bedroom condo for as little as $550,000, and you can get everything in between all the way up to your luxury detached homes at $25 million plus, all the way up to the iconic most expensive property in BC, Chip Wilson, the founder of Lululemon, whose property is valued at $73.1 million. While there's a large diversity of real estate, it also brings us to con number 2, which is the affordability of that real estate. While some condos start at $550,000, they are few and far between and will likely not have the finishings and quality of finish that you're hoping for. And then when it comes to purchasing real estate in the area, you're looking at $1,150 a square foot as a minimum price, and that's as of May 2022. And for an average 1-bedroom rental, you're looking at about $2,200 a month. Pro number 3 of the Kitsilano area is that there is no shortage of a variety of restaurants to choose from. Whether you are looking at vegan to farm to table, or you want to go Mexican, Italian, or ramen, the world is your oyster in terms of getting anything that you want here. Now, the third con of the Kitsilano area is if you were living near the King's Head or the local bar, as obviously near any bar, you're gonna have a few people possibly having a few too many drinks. So if you're there in the area on the weekends or really any night in the summer, the volume of living in that area might be a little bit more than what you're hoping for in the evening. The fourth pro of Kitsilano. While Vancouver may not be known for its museums, Vanier Park is home to the Museum of Vancouver, the Maritime Museum, as well as the H.R. MacMillan Space Center. You'll also find that Vanier Park is home to some great outdoor events, as well as the famous Bard on the Beach to get your dose of Shakespeare in the city. The fourth con of the Kitsilano area is that in the 1960s, Kitsilano was really developed as the hippie area. And it's where Greenpeace was founded. It's where some of the first vegetarian and vegan restaurants sprang up. And over the years that has changed, and the vibe, arts, eclectic type of culture in the area has definitely changed. And it's what I'm going to share in the next point for you. Pro number 4 for Kitsilano is the abundance of shopping up and down on 4th Avenue and Broadway. On 4th Avenue, you'll find one of the largest collections of outdoor companies that you'll find in the city, from Arc'teryx to Patagonia to Fjällräven. You also have your health and wellness shops, your family, kid, baby-oriented stores, as well as bringing it back a couple decades to Zulu Records to get your dose of vinyl and compact discs. And of course, a visit to Kitsilano is not complete without a stopover at Lululemon. That brings me to con number 5 of Kitsilano, which is the stereotype that it holds. If you don't enjoy wearing spandex, Lululemon clothes, holding your Louis Vuitton designer purse while having your latte on the way to yoga class, this may not be the space for you. But if that's your thing, then perfect. What? I'm just heading to my workout after this. There you have it, everyone, the 5 pros and cons of Kitsilano in Vancouver. If you enjoyed this video and got some value from it, make sure to like and subscribe, and then check out some of the other videos on our channel. Again, I'm Jonathan Lerner with the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group and eXp Realty. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the Vancouver area, make sure to check out our website in the description below, or give me a call or text at 778-389-6677. We'll see you in the next video.